Hello, my friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And folks, it's been the worst probably week of the year for me, trading wise. Worst week of the year for me. Gosh, where do I even start? If you follow my Twitter and you're in the Discord, you'll know that there was a climactic situation. I've been long at all the wrong times, not following my system. And things could have been worse. You know, the trade group we held for days, stayed in. There was one time I had to chop like a third of the trade off. Of course, it was at the bottom. And now that the prices come up, we were able to get out of those. I was sleep deprived for I don't know how long, 4 or 5 days. And it all culminated into a 5-second climactic accident on Saturday morning. I was kicked back in my chair, and we're going to go over analysis here. We'll go over the charts. I was kicked back in my chair, half asleep with one eye open on our horrible long. And I came to and went to get up, and Sid was under me, and I stepped on him, I stepped on his tail, and I have a high desk, and I basically slipped, and I only slipped like my desk is only like 8 inches away from my face, and it's like boom, and I busted my front tooth, cut my lip. My lip is all big. My tooth is missing. I have a chipped tooth. Can you believe it? But on top of that, I've probably lost $500,000 this week, maybe more, maybe even 600, but probably like 550. And I've just been throwing everything out in the wind, kind of. Like, I'm not trying to make excuses, but I feel like I'm trapped in that swing mode, scalp time. Like, I'm not getting in at the times for the swings, whether I'm not there or whatever. Just when I look at the chart and it's time to whatever, I want to do this too late. God, it's been a bad week. I had a bad trading week last week. And hopefully it ends there. It could have been a lot worse. And I'm going to go to the dentist today and get a new tooth. And I'm probably going to get some all fake teeth. I'm going to do it. That being said, my analysis was overall correct in that so far the price has held up. Things were looking quite bearish. Everyone was very, very bearish for the past for over the week, the last weekend. This right here, boy, everyone was expecting us to break down. But there was only one. There was one person who still had hope for price action to go up, and that person was me. It was me. Suffering succotash. now. It don't matter. Not like it matters. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about profit or loss. And when it comes down to profit and loss, I've lost. This week. And for, my trade folks, shit, you know how I feel. And I want to say something before we get into the analysis. Number one, our Discord is not a democracy. It's our way or the highway, and it's like that for a reason. Everyone's cool. Things been going great, no problems, but when you sidekick me when I'm down, or you say things like, "Oh, it's so strange. Oh my God, God, it's so weird. His trades have been so weird. Here, let me post a picture of his trades all going in the red the past. Wow, everyone look at this." It's like everyone there's everybody knows. Everybody already knows. You know what I'm saying? It's like we know, bro. We're all in the same group. So just mind yourself. Nobody's banned. You know what I'm saying? Comes with the territory. I understand. And I appreciate most of you, are very supportive. And I appreciate that. And when I look at this, when I pull things up, I'm up in every group. I'm up 45% on the whales, 30% on the ports, and 15% on the Chilenas with my trades. But with the fishtail, not so much. There's people that are in a loss. If you're from the beginning, you should be in the green, on most of these groups. But, when there's things happen so fast that it's like, I only want to get, it's the big moves or nothing. Because that fishtail, man, that fishtail is nasty. But if everyone got the exact same entries and the exact same exits, it's me. Shit, even with this horrible fucking long where I gutted our profits that we had for the whales and the full ports. Shit, my account's still up, So hopefully we can get back in the swing of things. Hopefully I can get myself back in the swing of things. And I'd like to open up the point was to flip these for, a month or two, close them down, start up a new one, new people come in, rotation. But whatever. Anyway, so tough week last week. And hopefully this week is better. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Let's start with the high time frame. The weekly. It's a new weekly candle, and I'm bullish on this right now. The RSIs are red, but they are strong. We have a potential nice green momentum dot coming up. We have a nice tight VWAP oscillation coming up. Curvature money flow coming up. I like this, and I think we can see something happens here. Now, if we draw our trend lines, we are tap-tap-a-ruin on that. We are tap-tap-a-ruin. Boy, it sure would be nice, even if we come up to, 110, reject off the 108 support, now the previous resistance support, and then take off. That would be great. It's the end of the month. But this, what is this, the 12-hour? Look, these RSIs are very nice on this 12-hour. Money flow coming up. Momentum is still open here. It's pinching, and it's the beginning of the week. Again, we have weekend data right now for these past few candles, but the week is starting. Last week, CoreWeave, Planetar, those pulled back. Stock market, well, overall, I'm pretty sure was up. But we had pullbacks on CoreWeave and Planetar too. And hopefully, this week, we're coming back. But man, this thing was holding. Our size were hella green, and pooh, she popped off. And of course, you know, we were in a salon along. I got out of it right before the. I mean, I'm telling you, man, this last week I just been like Charlie Brown. Um, and so, you know, shit, I had a bad week. It happens. Okay, so the weekly, I'm liking the weekly. It's a fresh candle. So it is subject to change. What's the standard candle looking like? Yeah, I'm very hopeful for this. I like this weekly. I like that weekly. What does the 3-day look like? Okay. The 3-day, okay. Smooth it out a little bit here. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. The 2-day. We have a nice tight trigger wave right here. This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern momentum wave reset. It's now dipped down. It's time to make a new one. And come on, baby, let's make a new one. Let's go on a good new run for the new one. I'll be happy if we can at least tap the all-time high. Please. I'll take it. Just a tap of the all-time high. Or close. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the 12-hour, the 6-hour RSI still green. Little clipping on the momentum here. Again, what time is it right now? We got what, 3 hours until the market opens. So I'm in these longs. I'm long again. I'm sweating it. We're sweating it. We got in off of the Bitcoin pullback and the ETH pullback. Boy, what a time to be if this turns into a Jesus take the wheel. If this is actually a Jesus take the wheel and this pumps up, oh my God. Oh, that would be amazing. Man, I really hope this holds. I hope this holds, or else we're going to have to take another loss. And if so, that's how the cookie crumbles. Hopefully not. These minute time frames, a little ugly on the 10-minute. We are in the red on the money flow. We need this momentum. We have our big boy green dots printed, though. Momentum coming up. RSI looks like it's starting to change. Come on, 10-minute. Come on, you 10-minute. Come on. The 6-minute, some potential curvature maybe forming here. Momentum coming up. RSI is green. Hella low. Hopefully this support holds. Hopefully it holds. That's the situation I'm in right now. Probably the same for everything else too, Ethereum and, you know, everything else. Here's the weekly on Ethereum. Looks like it's got the same type of momentum green dot right there, just like Bitcoin. Look at that. Look at that. Little green dot on the weekly momentum. Go ahead and turn into a big monster. Turn into from a little, look at it, he's got 2 little eyes. He's a little momentum wave saying hello. We want him to turn to a big monster and run that shit up today. Run it up today. Money flow in the red on its way up. And Ethereum, again, is hanging right on its spider line. Just hanging on this spider line. Look at that. Like a magnet, just shook, 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 just suck right to it, right up on it. 12-hour money flow coming up a little bit. RSIs are both inside of each other. Gates are open on the momentum right there. What do we got? Okay, we only have an hour left on this candle, so it'll be a new candle coming. Again, remember, look at the time left on the candle. It is so important. So important. Okay, now, core weave. Obviously, we finally had a bit of a pullback on CoreWeave. Oh boy, oh boy. Looks like the pre-market's up a couple dollars. We'll see what the data looks like coming in today. But the rest of the market has been looking good. This thing's been piping hot. It's been piping hot. It's okay for it to have a pullback. It's okay. So we'll see what the data that comes in looks like today. We'll see what it looks like today. Hopefully this support holds and this thing comes on up. We'll see. We'll see what the data looks like when it starts today. BBAI, Big Bear AI, had some good news coming in. This chart, let me zoom out here for you guys. I am going to be looking to make some option plays right now when the market opens. Look at this curvature. This thing pops. It's probably gonna pop. This thing's gonna pop. We got increasing money flow, momentum coming up. Do your research. Big Bear AI. It's a nice one. We can get in some good options. Some good cheap contracts. This I'm probably gonna take. I'm probably gonna get like a 1 month out. I might get some July 10s. Hang on a second here. This thing, cause what? Let's see here. This goes up 2 weeks. It'll go up. I think. Okay, so maybe I'll do August. I'm gonna get. I'm gonna do 3 parts. A super short term, mid-term, long term, maybe for January, or I'll just do the first 2. I gotta do a little more research, but I got some inside buddies that are really hyped about this one, so we'll see. I gotta look into it a little bit more myself. Planetar has been steady creeping up secretly during closed hours, and then it has pullbacks during the day. Planetar goes up after hours, pulls back during the day. It had the Friday, the Friday fade, end of day Friday, pulled back. Might be some opportunity there. We'll see. And let's take a look. The S&P pre-market's looking good. All-time high pre-market. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Chugging along. Come on. Dixie coming down. So I'm long. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. This is the business we have chosen. To my trade group copy traders, if I have a bad run or you don't understand what I'm doing, there's methods to certain madness, there's different strategies. If you're an expert, then get the hell out. Okay? If you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. What's Core Z doing? Core Scientific. Oh, hang on here. Oh, damn, this thing popped up. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I need to check. I still have my Core Z's. Ooh, okay. All right, we're gonna have to keep an eye. Yeah, we're gonna have to keep an eye on a couple different things here. We're gonna have to keep an eye on a couple different things here this week. Options, I'm telling you. What's gold doing? Gold pulling back. Look at that. Dang, Bareth Soloway. I'm pretty sure shorted gold at the top. He's probably not in. He's probably still not holding it, but way to go, Bareth Soloway. Okay. MarketCipherMerch.com. The 23-ounce mugs are still available. These are the biggest and most amazing mugs you'll ever need to have. This price includes shipping. You'll never need another mug again. They're 23 ounces. I believe we have a 30% off code right now. I think it was in our last video. I forget what it is, but it's in the last video. It's like MC30 or something like that. Boy, I would be using Breakout Prop if I should be using Breakout Prop myself this week because I can't trade for shit. Because I'm getting in these damn things. They're in profit quickly. I don't know. I need to start. Maybe I need to go back to Breakout here to trade within some damn. I don't know. Man, if Jesus takes the wheel on this, ooh wee, that's gonna be nice. I'm gonna go to the dentist today, get my tooth fixed. But you know what? If I'm in these, I'll tell you what, I'll be toothless, hairy. If these trades are pumping, I'll wait another day. But it's hard to. I gotta sip my coffee through a straw. I can feel that this tooth is hollow, and I can start. Oh my god! I can't. I was in shock when it happened. I was in shock. I can't believe it. I can't. It happened so fast. It happened so fast. I made a little meme. I have a meme for you guys I thought was funny. Let's see here. See, I'm willing to laugh at myself. Look, I made a little meme. Ooh, I forgot to black out the tooth on this one. I can laugh at myself. Okay? If your life savings is in a copy trade group, shame on you. So listen, if I have a bad run or just whatever, take it easy. Take it easy on me. Okay? Yeah. So, what day is it, man? We're in the middle of the summer, over halfway through the year, and we're gonna keep chugging along. And man, hopefully this turns into something. Hopefully this 10-minute keeps on. Hopefully we can hold this support, and we can pump up to the highs here and make some dang money. You know what I'm saying? Thank you very much. All of you are such swell people. Thanks for being here, and hopefully I'll see you soon.